bridal bridal plans. Bridal plans.
Alright, so if you're done that, let's celebrate.
Bridal.
Here we go with choosing your suppliers. How did you choose your suppliers? You were thinking of, if you
Come to the blind. Many wedding events.
if you're not from
Wedding
Davao,
event.
and
Yung magpakasal. Wedding.
that's the basic question.
Oh, wedding. No. Wedding planners.
She's the magician there. She did a lot of research. And I give all the props to her.
Hello.
She really, everything really, it's a risk, honestly, especially if, well, it's your first time getting married, so you're really not looking to look at first hand who to choose. So you're basing it all on what they have produced online, you know. So it's really it all boils
Wedding
down
events,
to
dining,
how well you
coordinator,
research, and that
any
is
mo
I
set
really
up.
did job researching who we are choosing
Set up like
in
this,
terms
no?
of coordinators, stylists,
Coordinator, stylist.
flyers,
Dapat
and
wedding
food,
gowns here
and
available.
all the little things you have to do. It's all about just researching what they've done, seeing their posts, seeing the finished product.
Plan for your wedding.
Overall,
Wedding day event.
and just really cool to do. And thankfully, Lori and
To add to what Emil said, yes, it is important to do your research, but I also would like to add that some of it were risks, and we're just so lucky that we were lucky with the chosen suppliers that we had. Well, I think
Boys, dito.
for the future brands and groups, it's important to establish, especially if it's for a destination wedding, who your non-negotiable suppliers are. In our case, we had 2 non-negotiable suppliers that we really intended to come from Manila. And then we decided the rest can be from Davao because of course they're more familiar and it would be more beneficial for us. So for our wedding, our photographers and videographers were the only 2 suppliers that were from Manila. And we flew them out and took care of their accommodation and flights and other fees. But for everything else, as Emil said, we rely on research, mostly on Instagram. But honestly, I'd say around 60 to 70% of our Davao suppliers were not really based on research because we mostly chose local startups. When I say local startups, like when I found them, they literally had less than 1,000, less than 500 followers, and they barely had any reviews. So I'd say that's quite of a risk because you wouldn't know what you would really get as compared to suppliers who have been in the industry and have done several weddings and have like 100 reviews. But yeah, thankfully and luckily we were blessed with great suppliers from Davao.
All right, thank you. Good to know that. And research really works.
Bar.
So
You need a
couples, you
bar.
have to do your research as well before you plan for your wedding. Now, was it a grand wedding? Was it an intimate wedding? Harry and
A makeup artist
Emil?
available.
And did everything happen as planned? Did all your did you envision your visions happen on the wedding day?
Coffee available here.
I
It
mean,
was very intimate, no, Harry? I found it very
intimate is relative, I'd say, because to us 150 is intimate considering that we really come from big families and we really had to cut down our guest list. But intimate enough that we were still able to enjoy the company of each and every guest. And yeah, so I guess intimate is
Package, pila po na ang
a
whole
good word to
package ninyo?
describe our wedding. It was homey, it was it's slowly and humbling.
Ang sa karon nga
Nothing to orchestrate the
17?
We really didn't have a
20,000?
program. Honestly, our coordinator at
ibang
first
package din namin sa
wasn't so game with the idea of not having a
70,000?
coordinator. I mean, a program. Because 150 is
may mga
quite a number and parang baka it will be
may ano na po kami
magulo
may
if
mga
there's
narapin
no
doon ka staff on
flow. But it turned out well because everything flowed naturally and nothing felt rushed. Everyone can talk to each other. We were able to converse and meet
17,000?
with
then
family
ng
and
pasta
friends, drink with them,
ah.
actually enjoy the space.
then may juice and coffee.
You know, we were able to enjoy the decorations and
Muro na lang, muro ang 17.
see everything that we worked
Ano na sa
on.
arm?
Enjoy the photo booth and the little things. You
Wag mo
know.
nice, no?
Yeah,
Hindi ka mag-set big
I
party,
feel like
event.
intimate is really the best
picture ng
setting. I mean, maybe some people will find 150 a lot.